I just set that one, so.
Just gonna go for it here. Oh yeah, take her.
We got some.
That's gonna be a sturgeon. You mean you get the gaff? Holy fuck.
Look at the size of this guy.
Fucking snappers, huh?
Oh, we don't. Hey, go grab the.
Oh, I gave you the players.
Yeah, it's on the shelf. That a boy, Heim.
Nice fish. Not too shabby.
Beautiful. Shawano Lake. Bass Sola.
That's a colored spoon you thought was gonna get a walleye.
Hopefully at night. I'm thinking. Hopefully at night I'm thinking we'll grab a couple. Maybe. Hopefully I'll be happy if we get one. We got Reverend here.
Got it.
He's got it. He's got it.
Got him.
Looking for
I'm getting all bit up here. It's a nice bass.
Dr. Jeff here. Performing a little surgery. And nobody grabbed the minnows. Oh, you got it. Is that a boy? Dan? Dan?
That's nice.
Jeff, there we go. Another bass.
We'll put that right in the cooler.
You got that.
They call him Dr. Bass.
Whoosh. Oh, here at Shawano Lake, there's our largemouth bass.
Where are we at?
Shawano Lake. Let's take a quick look at the light ski hut. That's a utility shed with the blazer. Take a look at the forecast out here. It's shitty. Couple of trucks racing across the lake.
Did you? We're doing a shiner release program here. I just dropped my minnow.
$7 a dozen. Just throwing bait away like an idiot.
That's how rich we are. We don't give a fuck about the bait. We'll throw it back.
We don't even work. We just ice fish on Tuesdays.
This is my Friday. Somebody's getting some old Dawn on, huh? We gotta remember the holes the dead ones had. Get down to that dead bait. We'll cut their bellies open.
Well,
Boy, this
fish number 4.
This fucking snow sure didn't last.
Jeff Heim, 2 for 2. Dan Brown, 1 for 1.
I said, let's gamble.
He did say let's gamble.
This fish was like, don't let him gamble.
Don't do it. Do not do it. Let me tell you what the forecast is out here again. Now, after standing on it for a couple minutes, it's shitty. Yeah, you're too deep.
You said we won't be able to see that flag.
Well, pop goes the weasel because the weasel goes pop. That's what it says.
Let's see what he's got up here. That's about right. Stick that puppy down in there.
Dipping status.
Setter! Bingo!
Who's got a cold hand? I do.
Stick your finger in its mouth. There it is. We see it.
I want to see his eye.
Hold him up, Jeff.
Is that the biggest bass you've ever seen?
And signing off.